A hiker finds a quiet valley at dusk and realizes the forest itself guides safer choices without tools. He identifies edible plants by leaf shape and aligns with seasonal cues from weather and animal tracks. He practices silent observation, noting water signs, wind direction, and birdsong that point towards shelter and water. The Moonlit mentor teaches resilience by turning fear into curiosity, transforming a simple night into a practical field course. By dawn, he records 5 key survival skills learned from nature, ready to share with others around the camp.